Grab some Oreos. You'll need about 36. Either put them in a Ziploc bag or a food processor and crush them. It should look something like this. Grab about a spoonful to save for later. Grab about 8 ounces of cream cheese and mix it in. After mixing, it'll look something like this. Now you'll need a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Roll the mixture into a ball and place it on the sheet. Make some space in your fridge and leave them in there for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, grab another bowl and pour in some white chocolate chips. Put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Take them out and mix them around and repeat this until they're melted. After 30 minutes, take them out and put them on a stick. Now they're ready to be dipped in chocolate. Just like that. Put them back onto the parchment paper and pour your Oreo crumbs on them. They're gonna end up looking something like this. So yummy. Put them back into the fridge for 10 more minutes and they're done. Let's try them.
Okay, here we go. Now you know how to make Oreo balls.
Grab some strawberries, raspberries, a mango, dragon fruits, 2 apples, a lemon. Wash them, cut them into small cubes. Side note, dragon fruit to me tastes like paper. So use it if you want, but I just use it for looks. Now pour all of it in a bowl. Now cut your lemon and squeeze half in. Now this, now that, now Boo, stop looking at me. Add about 1 spoon of preserves and mix it all together. Once you're done, it should look like this. Cover the bowl with something and put it in the fridge. Next, grab flour tortillas, okay? Pour some olive oil on it and spread it on each side. You don't need a lot, so you can use what's left over for the next tortilla. You'll need 1/3 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it. Now sprinkle it onto the tortilla. Once they're covered on both sides, place them on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 350. Now bake it for about 7 minutes. I don't have a lot of time left, but part 2 is already up, so I'll see. Grab some strawberries, raspberries, a mango, dragon fruits, 2 apples, a lemon. Wash them, cut them into small cubes. Side note, dragon fruit to me tastes like paper. So use it if you want, but I just use it for looks. Now pour all of it in a bowl. Now cut your lemon and squeeze half in. Now this, now that, now Boo, stop looking at me. Add about 1 spoon of preserves and mix it all together. Once you're done, it should look like this. Cover the bowl with something and put it in the fridge. Next, grab flour tortillas, okay? Pour some olive oil on it and spread it on each side. You don't need a lot, so you can use what's left over for the next tortilla. You'll need 1/3 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it. Now sprinkle it onto the tortilla. Once they're covered on both sides, place them on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 350. Now bake it for about 7 minutes. I don't have a lot of time left, but part 2 is already up, so part 2, let's take them out of the oven. Let the tortillas cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once they're cool, you can put them on a plate. I just put them on these cute little serving trays. Grab your fruit from the fridge and you're ready to eat. Now you know how to make fruit salsa. Let's try it.
Okay, here we go. Y'all, this is probably my favorite one. So good. So good. And I also forgot. Wow.
So good. Look at that. Grab some limes. Wash them. You're going to need about 8 of them. Cut the lime into pieces that look like this. To do that, cut a lime, cut in half again, cut in half again, cut in half again. Put the limes into a blender. Change your recipe. We're only going to be using 5 limes because I just realized it's just me and Daniel here. Okay. Add in 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of condensed milk, and you'll need about 4 cups of water. And we're blending. We are blending. Yes, we are blending. Oh, snap. Grab a bowl with a strainer on top and pour your mixture in. See, we don't need all that. We don't need none of that. Put the mixture back into the blender and add 3 more cups of water. Blend that one more time. Grab a pitcher and pour it in. Oh, yeah. Stir. Grab your cute cups out. Now you know how to make Brazilian limeade. Let's try it.
Okay, here we go. Wow! What the?
Grab some strawberries. Wash them and cut them into cubes. You'll need about 1.5 cups and put them into a blender. Blend until you have a chunky mixture. It'll look something like this. Add in about 5 tablespoons of honey. Blend it for a few more seconds, still keeping that chunky texture. By the way, I did 1.5 cups of strawberries. Set that aside and grab a bowl. You'll need 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whisk that until it becomes a thicker consistency, like Thickie Minaj thick. It'll end up looking something like this. Add in about a half a cup of condensed milk. Whisk that for about a minute or two. Now it's time to fill your molds. I got these ice pop molds from Bed Bath & Beyond. I found it easier to grab a spoon and pour it in that way. If you want to get this swirl effect, alternate between the two colors. It'll end up looking something like this. Put them in the fridge for about 4 hours.
Yay! I'm pumped. I'll see you guys in 4.
Part 2, let's take them out of the freezer. Okay, this is what they look like. They're so cute. Well, now you know how to make strawberry cream popsicles. Let's try it.
Okay, here we go. There's no freaking way. There's no way these taste like this. Wow, these are actually really good. Thought I heard something. Guys, I'm like almost done with this, but fresh strawberry makes it amazing. The cream in it just puts it all together, and I love condensed. The video cut me off. I meant to say I love condensed milk. With that, anyways, guys, try these out. They're so yummy. Look how pretty, first of all. Like, take an Insta picture with them. Ooh la la. Anyway, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Try it. Let me know how to.
Grab some bagels and a plate. Toast your bagel. Grab your cream cheese. Spread. Grab some hot Cheetos. Put them on the bagel. Add in as much as you want. Mine looks like this. Get the other side of the bagel and place it on top like a sandwich. I like to squish mine down. And enjoy. Whoever came up with this idea, keep it up. You're doing good things in this world. Grab some Oreos and some milk. Dip your Oreos into the milk and set aside. Grab a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. You'll need some crescents.
Yay! Yay! Oh my gosh. Yay! Oh my gosh.
Lay the croissants out and place an Oreo in the middle. Just like that. Now roll them up and make sure it covers the entire cookie. They'll end up looking something like this. Preheat your oven to 350. Put them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Time to take them out. And now you know how to make baked Oreos. Let's try it.
Okay, here we go. Hot. Wow, you guys, this is good. I'm worried. These are a little too good.
Grab some juice. I chose watermelon water. Pour 1 cup into a measuring cup. Grab some drink enhancer. You can get this at Walmart. Pour in about half a teaspoon. Pour the mixture into a pot. Turn to medium heat. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then take it off of the stove. Pour the mixture back into the measuring cup. Grab 1 ounce of unflavored gelatin, which is 4 packs. You can get this at Walmart. Grab a fork and stir. Grab some molds. They don't have to be shaped like this. I got these off of Amazon and it comes with a little pipette. Grab your pipette and start filling up the molds. Last few. I'm so excited. Grab your molds and put them into the fridge for 3 hours. See you in 3 hours.